What if I told you that your Shiba Inu investment could one day reach monumental price targets like $100, $500, or even a jaw-dropping $1,000 per coin? Sounds impossible, right? But in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, we've seen stranger things happen. Today, we'll explore the possibility of Shiba Inu reaching these astronomical figures and break down the factors that could either catapult Shiba Inu to the moon or keep it stuck in the meme coin category. So, could Shiba Inu really make you a millionaire? Stick with me to find out. You don't want to miss this. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my updates on crypto price predictions, trends, and more. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's get into it. So, could Shiba Inu really reach these insane price targets? Today, we'll take a closer look at the key factors like Shiba Inu's circulating supply, the role of burn mechanisms, the broader market conditions, and whether Shiba Inu has the potential to expand its real-world utility. Stick around until the end of the video to get insights from expert opinions, and I'll share my own thoughts on what a realistic price target for Shiba Inu looks like. Ready? Let's break it all down. To set the stage, let's first take a look at where Shiba Inu stands right now. As of this recording, Shiba Inu is trading at around $0.000018 with a market cap of approximately $10.83 billion. It's important to note that Shiba Inu, much like other meme coins, is highly speculative and volatile by nature. While many people initially bought into Shiba Inu for the meme, it has since evolved into something much larger, with a dedicated community and growing use cases. At its current price, Shiba Inu is trading far below the $1 mark, let alone the lofty goals of $100, $500, or $1,000. But here's where things get interesting. The meme coin market has historically been home to some of the most dramatic price increases, often driven by community support, hype, and speculation rather than traditional financial metrics. So, what exactly would it take for Shiba Inu to hit $100 or beyond? Let's dive into the numbers. First, let's consider the market capitalization needed for Shiba Inu to hit these ambitious price points. If the circulating supply of Shiba Inu remains unchanged, for Shiba Inu to reach $100, its market cap would need to surpass $58.9 trillion. $500, we're talking about a market cap of roughly $294.5 trillion. $1,000, the market cap would have to hit an astronomical $589 trillion. To put those numbers into perspective, the current total market capitalization of the entire global cryptocurrency market is around $2.33 trillion. This means that for Shiba Inu to hit these price points, its market cap would need to be tens, if not hundreds, of times larger than the entire crypto market as it stands today. Clearly, for Shiba Inu to reach such figures, something extraordinary would have to happen. We're talking about either a significant reduction in circulating supply through massive token burns or a dramatic influx of capital into the crypto market overall. But let's not dismiss these numbers outright just yet. There are several key factors that could contribute to Shiba Inu's price growth. Let's take a look at the most important ones. One of the most significant challenges facing Shiba Inu is its massive circulating supply, currently over 589 trillion tokens. This high supply has been a major factor in keeping Shiba Inu's price low. Even as demand increases, the sheer number of tokens in circulation limits how high the price can realistically go. This is where token burns come into play. The Shiba Inu community has already begun organizing burn events in an attempt to lower the supply, but in order for Shiba Inu to hit $100 or more, we'd need to see massive burn events on an unprecedented scale. We're talking billions or even trillions of tokens being burned regularly to have a noticeable impact on the price. If these burn events continue at an accelerated pace, it could dramatically reduce the number of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation over time, setting the stage for more substantial price growth. However, it's important to recognize that such large-scale burns would likely need to be coordinated by both the community and major stakeholders to have a lasting impact. Another critical factor in Shiba Inu's price potential is widespread adoption. Right now, Shiba Inu is widely known as a meme coin, and its price is largely driven by speculation rather than real-world utility. For Shiba Inu to sustain a rally toward $100, $500, or even $1,000, it needs to offer more than just hype. It needs to prove its value as a real-world asset with tangible use cases. So, what does widespread adoption look like for Shiba Inu? To start, the coin needs to expand its DeFi presence and integrate into more decentralized finance platforms. This would allow Shiba Inu holders to use their tokens in lending, borrowing, and staking protocols, providing a layer of utility beyond mere speculation. The more Shiba Inu is used in real-world applications, the more demand for the token will grow, which could, in turn, push its price higher. We've seen similar developments with Bitcoin and Ethereum, two cryptocurrencies that have evolved beyond speculative assets into real-world use cases. For Shiba Inu to follow in their footsteps, it would need to overcome its meme status and prove its long-term viability as a currency or financial asset. Right now, the crypto market is experiencing a resurgence in optimism, particularly as Bitcoin's price edges towards $70,000. This upward momentum has sparked renewed interest in cryptocurrencies as a whole, and we've seen altcoins like Shiba Inu benefit from Bitcoin's rally. Historically, when Bitcoin rises, it often pulls other coins up with it, especially those with strong community support, like Shiba Inu. For Shiba Inu to have a chance of reaching $100 or beyond, the broader crypto market would likely need to experience significant growth. We would need to see Bitcoin break through key resistance levels and enter a long-term bull market, bringing with it increased attention, liquidity, and investment in altcoins like Shiba Inu. While this scenario is possible, it's worth noting that market cycles are unpredictable, and crypto is notorious for its volatility. Just as quickly as prices rise, they can fall, and Shiba Inu could be vulnerable to sharp corrections if the broader market sentiment shifts. Let's switch gears for a moment and dive into some technical analysis of Shiba Inu's price chart. Currently, Shiba Inu is forming what's known as an inverted head and shoulders (H&S) pattern on the daily chart. This chart pattern is characterized by three troughs, with the middle trough being the deepest, and it typically signals a major trend reversal. In the case of Shiba Inu, the inverted H&S pattern suggests that a bullish breakout could be on the horizon. If Shiba Inu manages to flip its key resistance levels into support, we could see a sustained rally. Based on this pattern, the target price after a breakout would be around $0.00002, representing a potential 48% rally from current levels. While the inverted H&S pattern is a reliable indicator of a trend reversal, it doesn't guarantee a breakout. If sellers continue to defend the $0.00002 resistance level, Shiba Inu could face prolonged consolidation, with the price remaining relatively stagnant for the next few months. For Shiba Inu to break out of this accumulation phase, we would need to see a significant increase in buying pressure, ideally driven by positive news or broader market momentum. This could be in the form of Bitcoin breaking through its key resistance levels, a major token burn event, or a high-profile partnership announcement that brings real-world utility to Shiba Inu. Before we move on, if you're finding value in this breakdown and want more detailed analysis on Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. As we've discussed, Shiba Inu's massive circulating supply is the primary obstacle to price growth. For Shiba Inu to even approach $100, we would need to see significant token burns over time, reducing the total supply by trillions of tokens. The good news is that the Shiba Inu community is already taking action in this regard, but to have a meaningful impact, these burn events would need to scale up dramatically. Shiba Inu needs to prove its worth beyond just being a meme coin. It must expand its real-world utility by integrating into more DeFi ecosystems and forming partnerships with major companies. The more Shiba Inu is used in everyday transactions, the greater its demand will become, potentially driving up the price. Shiba Inu's price is closely tied to the broader crypto market, particularly Bitcoin's performance. If Bitcoin continues its bullish trend and breaks through key resistance levels, it could pull Shiba Inu up with it. Finally, Shiba Inu's passionate community plays a crucial role in its success. Continued efforts by the community to promote Shiba Inu, organize burn events, and build DeFi use cases could help drive the price higher. Before we wrap things up, I need to remind you that cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and volatile. Price predictions like $100, $500, or $1,000 for Shiba Inu are based on many assumptions, and there's no guarantee they will ever materialize. Always do your own research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Whether or not Shiba Inu hits these massive price targets, it's definitely an exciting project to watch. Remember to subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update for more analysis and updates.